Meaning of discomposure.
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 Discomposure. The term discomposure refers to a state of emotional or mental agitation, disarray or disturbance. When someone experiences discomposure, they may be experiencing feelings of anxiety, frustration, confusion or discomfort, which can impact their ability to think clearly and make rational decisions. This state of mind can lead to negative outcomes such as poor performance in academic or professional settings, strained personal relationships, and even physical health symptoms such as insomnia or headaches. Overall, discomposure is a state that can be detrimental to an individual's well-being and should be addressed through healthy coping mechanisms such as relaxation techniques or seeking support from others.